In 2020, Harley Davidson brought back one of its most popular models, the Lowrider S. The updated cruiser has been an instant hit. This performance cruiser is rocking that West Coast attitude. The heart of the S is the Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch engine snarling out 114 pounds of torque. The 5-gallon tank will keep you riding longer. Standard ABS and dual front disc brakes ensure the stopping ability matches the performance. Rear adjustable monoshock and inverted forks in a 28-inch rake gives responsive handling. The trim caps this model off everywhere. Radiate cast aluminum wheels are finished in a matte dark bronze. It has a custom fairing and LED headlight. A USB port for charging your phone. The speedometer and RPM gauge accent the tank. No detail has been missed, including an LED brake light.